Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, you will learn about collinear vectors. Two vectors A and B, let me call that A and B, are said to be collinear if we can construct an equation of the form A1 times A plus A2 times B equals 0. A and B are said to be collinear if we can construct an equation like this. And what does this equation mean? This equation means that we can express A in terms of B and we can express B in terms of A. For example, I can write vector A in terms of vector B in the form. I can write this equation as A1 times A equals minus A2 times vector B. From this I can write A equals minus A2 divided by A1 times B. Now if A1 and A2 are any two real numbers not equal to 0, then this equation says that A is a vector whose magnitude is this time the ratio of these two numbers times the magnitude of B pointing opposite to vector B and is along the line, the same line as B. That is, I can write this equation as A equals minus M times vector B, where M is a number which is equal to the ratio of these two real numbers. So now you see vector A is a vector whose magnitude is M times the magnitude of vector B and is pointing opposite to vector B. That means vector A and B are lying along the same line. So two collinear vectors means the vectors that are pointing, that are lying at the same line. In a similar manner, from this I can write B equals minus A1 divided by A2 times A. Or I can express this as minus M times A. So we can express A in terms of B, we can express A in terms of B, we can express B in terms of A. When that's the situation, we say the two vectors are collinear, or they are lying at the same line. They are pointing along a straight line. Maybe one may be positive, the other may be negative, but they are lying in the same line. Because if one of these two numbers is negative real number, then this will become positive. Because if this is negative, that negative with this negative will make it positive, then A and B are in the same direction. Similarly, if one of these two is negative, the negative of the number with this negative would make it positive, and then again B and A are in the same direction. So A and B may be in the same direction or they may be opposite in direction, but they are at the same line. Therefore, we can express one vector in terms of the other vector, and when that's the case, we say the two vectors are collinear. Thanks for watching.